I am the Ratchet bitch hunter. Look what we have here.
Oh Lord. Jesus Christ.
We have a Ratchet bitch near.
Nah.
Very, very close. Maybe two different types of Ratchet bitch. It look like we have two different bundles here.
Oh, none. Lord of mercy.
It was some type of squabble or altercation.
Gunshot. Ripped up horsehair. That's what we have, y'all.
Yeah.
God.
A lot of it.
Lord
There will be revenge.
Oh, man.
We're gonna stick around here. We might lay a couple traps.
Shot.
Might catch a Ratchet bitch.
Shut up.
Stay tuned.
What we have here? My name is Spectre Abu Shahi. We have exhibit 1. The Ratchet Hunter. This right here. Oh, it's too hot. This happened recently, man. This right here is a prime example of a ratchet. See somewhere close. Look like a spider.
Be careful, be careful. Be careful.
Oh, be careful. This right here, this ain't it.
You don't
Somebody
want-
got the ass beat.
You don't want the Ratchet bitch on you. Don't touch it.
Some ratchet got the ass beat the shit out of me, man. This right here, this is chaos. I'm out of here. Inspector Abu Shahi. I'm gone. Light skin. Light quick fire. Hold on, wait. Bro. Light 9. Big booty. Oh, it's your thing. Come on. Look.